Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The Australian dollar bearishness lingers on into the night and into this morning, with the downside challenge now crumbling the level of 67.35 exposes the minus support at 67.15, which could progress further to 66.85 or to the July lows that come in around 66.77 with the objective at 66.20 to 25. The ADX is now trending again. And also the fact is that the RSI has bottomed out, as we're now waiting for the MACD. Once these two are married up, then I do expect to see the downside test towards 66 cents eventually be achieved. Any advances finds resistance at 66.55 and above, firm at 68.45. With the bullish outside range they posted a few days ago now negated, does suggest that we could see further weakness back into play and therefore look down towards the region of 110.20.45. It is assessed that from the rejection of 111.90 close there, the fact is the bears have taken the helm and strengthened the move back to the downside, with the dollar index also recovering somewhat. Therefore, let's see how the market plays towards this level of 110.20.45. It is assessed from a weekly point of view, a very significant level. Or even if we look at the monthly, the fact is that we haven't been down here for a couple of years. So beneath 110 could give further scope towards 108. So let's see how that plays. The market is looking into September for a rate cut from the ECB. So that also will put stress on the euro. But saying that, the US dollar could strengthen or weaken in the next couple of weeks due to the fact is the market is still wondering whether the Fed in the US will cut rates. At present, though, it's 50-50 from what I can read in the newspapers and also the assessment. So looking at dollar yen at the moment, we are a little bit mixed as we've been trading from the range of 104.5 to 106.80. The market has struggled towards a level of 106.25.35 and therefore could see a fallback. From the RSI point, I am getting quite bearish again. And from the MACD, if it does take out 105.45, then we're back to 108, 104.80 that is, and 104 figure. A round of mixed assessments coming into the pound, with the market challenging the level of 122.90 and failed. Brexit took yet another chaotic turn overnight when a controversial request from the British Prime Minister Boris Johnson to suspend UK Parliament from mid-September, which was approved by the Queen Elizabeth. Concerns about a no-deal hard Brexit continues to whirl around news after Boris Johnson asked the Queen to suspend Parliament, or to at least in the short term, which she agreed. So we have to see what comes out of that. That did send the pound weaker. From the rejection of 122.90, it looks to 121.60. A break beneath there, then we are going back into a bearish phase. Well, the market for gold still shines, and as you can see, is that we're still holding above the support 1,514 to 18, and still a threat to the upside of looking towards 46 to 50 to 56. Minus support though, seen at 38. Rounding up with oil, well, the market surged and broke through the trend and remains above there now and looks towards the immediate target of about $56 to $57. This could progress further and see a measured move from the indication here of this pattern to about 60 to 62. Support at this stage is seen at 54.10. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for things to Paul. I hope you enjoy the great start to this new day.